place in the Japan ocean.
What is one of the most beautiful? The question he asked is, what is one of the most beautiful places in our town? I think our river. I have not seen your river yet, but we live on, it's called the Fox River. And this is a little bit of a picture. And should we pass them around now or later? What do you think?
Okay.
So we have a very beautiful river in Appleton, and so that's one of my, I think, most beautiful places. I like to walk along the river. Carla lives on the river. I don't know if you want to talk about it. Okay. Do you have other questions that you would like to know? Or do you not know enough to know what to ask?
What is
The Fox River, like a fox. Do you know what a fox is? Animal. I can't draw very well. Is there? Does everybody understand fox?
Yeah.
Okay, then we're good. All right. Yeah, so it's called the Fox River. Lot of in the community of Appleton and around was a lot of paper producing, making paper. Now, not as much. They have gone elsewhere in our country where the trees grow faster. Are there any other questions? Yes.
What about lakes?
Pardon?
About lakes.
Lakes. We have one big lake near.
And actually, you can see it on this map. Whoops, it's right here. It's that blue spot, and it's a very, very large lake. It's 50 miles long, which I don't know in kilometers what that would be.
I don't know either.
And 50 miles would be
About 80 kilometers.
about 80 kilometers. 80 kilometers long. It's a big lake.
And it's used a lot for fishing, and it's used obviously, and it's used a lot for boating. People go boating on the river, sailing on the river, our river, lake. And then we have one other big lake, Lake Michigan, which is very near. You can get to very easily. And we call those the Great Lakes. I don't know if you learned about those. If you learned about
That's all of these lakes right here.
They're very
All the
big
Great Lakes.
because they're so big. Yes.
What towns did you visit in Russia?
So far, only Moscow and here. And so this is my first time, our first time in Russia. 2 years ago, I met your principal and Elena. Is that okay to say Elena? Elena brought 6 students to Appleton, and I got to meet them. And they said, you should come to Kurgan to see our school. And so we said, we will come and see your schools. And so far we took the airplane into Moscow and spent 3.5 days in Moscow looking at the sights. And then we flew here